First night sleeping in a catamaran. How do you feel? Did you sleep at all?
Mm-hmm. On and off.
We went to bed at 2 o'clock in the morning. No, it was later than that. It was like 2:30.
Yeah. We finally docked. Set the anchor up.
And we set the anchor 2 times.
Yeah.
Set the anchor once and we started.
No, we were too close.
We were too close to a boat. So we pulled it back up again.
Glasses are dirty.
Everything's dirty. Like I feel sticky and sandy, like salty. This is our room.
No, it's kind of called cabin.
Cabin. This is our cabin. We're sleeping with our suitcase on the bed because there's nowhere to put it. Oh, I forgot to record sideways. Oh God, it's 7 something in the morning. 7:30 in the morning or something like that. You said it's 20-mile-an-hour winds right now?
Mm-hmm.
Which direction are they going in?
It's coming out of the due south.
There's the mast. When we got to the place where he wanted to dock, apparently it's supposed to be like a park. You're not allowed to dock your boat there. It's like a, I don't know, like a national park or whatever. And we got there and there was like 50 boats there. They were all parked wrong or illegally. One of them was parked where the pump is, the pump out, right in front of the pump out, so nobody could get their shit out of their boat, because that boat was in the way. This is gonna be an excruciatingly long day. I've got to do something about that bathroom. I can't be in this boat for 7 days with that bathroom.
What turned out, what had happened was, the cleaning lady went through the boat and she cleaned everything, and the bathroom was still a little bit damp from all of the cleaning products. And then a guy came in to fix the door locks, and the sawdust got mixed in with the cleaning products. That mixture created this pretty disgusting kind of mud. Same morning, Donovan went in and cleaned all of that up for me because he knows that my brain works in a different way than most normal people. I'm wired differently. I mentioned the smell and how I wasn't even drinking any water. I just didn't want to go. TMI. The instructor tells us that the water running through the plumbing is salt water and that smell was completely normal. It's something completely normal. Okay, so I felt a lot better about it. So anyway, I think I've babbled enough.
That's no name, I remember. And we're sitting right outside of it. Remember last night we went in there and looked?
Yeah, that's where there was no space available. There were so many boats parked in there.
Here's the wind, no name harbor. We're sitting right out here. Right here. 20 right now.
I'm glad we're not in our little Catalina. This boat we're on the port side, aft, and every time that there's something back there, every time it hits the water, it goes it's bang, bang, bang.
That's the back of the sugar scoop. The bottom of the sugar scoop.
Well, the bottom of the sugar scoop is fucking loud. Excuse my language. It took me a while to get used to not feeling woozy too, like nauseous. If I sleep on my side, it feels better. When I'm sleeping like this with my face upwards, I felt like I was gonna throw up. Oh my God, I would do anything for a shower right now. All my shoulders are sunburned. I'm still in my clothes from yesterday. This was chock full of boats last night. Everywhere. That's the entrance to that little marina-ish area. There's still a bunch of boats left over there. Well, basically everybody's gone. I need to get dressed. Oh God, I slept like shit last night.
Anchor's up. Today is Sunday. And and it's a beautiful day. Winds are supposed to be 20 to 30 knots, so we're gonna reef twice or 2 reefs. I don't know how the lingo goes, but we're gonna sail with 2 reefs. We're gonna stay in this bay. I think our instructor Pierre wants to go and scope out something over there so that we may return here to stay another night, or we may go south to, he says that we're gonna do a reconnaissance. I'm trying to hear what he's saying right now. He wants to scope it out in case we come back here tonight. Otherwise, we're gonna stay down south at a place called No Name, or was this the No Name? I don't know. Just like last night, I can't remember any of the names. But we're gonna sail 11.7 nautical miles south, wherever that lands us. Oh, this is a tight squeeze. Oh.
And it's called rafting?
Rafting.
Like a raft.
When they're tied up together.
So here it was really stormy. I see a sailboat down there. He's tied up on the mangrove.
Yeah.
So this is also an option. It was really stormy.
Just feel the difference in out there.
Taxes every year, maybe.
Yeah.
That's something I need to learn.
William Baggs National Park, and this is the No Name Marina. We can fill up with water here. There's restrooms, and you can dump your black water. Last night when we came in here trying to find a spot to stop, there was a huge sailboat parked right in front of it, so nobody could empty their tank, though it was like 2:30 in the morning, so I don't think anybody was planning on it anyway. We're squeezing into a tight spot. It's gonna take me a hot minute to learn how to drive like this.
I jumped the start to this boat last week. Oh. And I came back and I was not happy with start.
Oh my god, we're so close to everybody.
See, there's another gray boat coming in.
Yep.
Ooh, this is a tight squeeze. Hideous boat. That is hideous.
Hey Kevin. How you doing? Good, how are you doing?
Good lord, look at the traffic. Oh my god.
We came last night at 2. We did the night sailing down.
Trying to get it to the second reef.
It's on it? It's coming in. Maybe more? Now, it's going to be hard. So I'm going to tighten it up like this. A beam reach on a tack. Why is it called a port tack?
Waves coming over the port.
Correct. So why is it called beam reach?
Because
The wind goes over the beam. Yeah, right, the beam. What is beam?
the length.
That's the width of the boat. From that side to that side. Where's the bow? Where's the stern?
There.
Let's go aft. Where are we going? This way or this way?
That way.
Okay, perfect. See?
And this,
We're sailing. Nice.
I can take it off.
That's all right. Well, go. Just take out the slack from it. So, it doesn't get cold. So since you know we are tacking.
We are tacking and we're going into this little bitty channel. Back out. Our instructor likes to go into tight spots and makes me nervous, but that's how you're gonna learn. I tell you what, my muscles are gonna be killing me tomorrow because I've been using this winch right here every time we tack, and I'm using muscles I didn't know existed.
Is this Hurricane Harbor?
I wasn't kidding when I said he likes tight spots. Apparently we're going to drop anchor right here for lunch. Right in the middle of all this mess. Okay. Alright, well we got the anchor down. It was a little nerve-wracking, but this instructor, I swear to God he could do this with his eyes closed. I am stupefied. It's unbelievable how good this guy is. But we're gonna have lunch now. These people just have stupid money. Crazy. Oh, we're gonna jibe.
Yours loose. It's loose. Uh-oh, Ralph, ladder.
Big ladder. Big ladder. Big ladder.
That scared me. I didn't know what they were yelling. All I heard was uh-oh, uh-oh. The economy in Miami seems to be doing pretty well, I think. Go brush my teeth. We are booking it. We were just going 8.3 something a little while ago. Now we're at 7.67 and we are shaking all over the place. Stuff in the kitchen is going all over. found our parking spot. This was completely full yesterday, but we got a nice parking spot today. So we're gonna hang out here for the night and wait out the storm. Holy hotness, I'm dying. This will be a fun afternoon. I guess we're just going to hunker down right here. This is no pressure, I got the video. So far you're doing pretty darn well. Oh, that hurt. Agárralo. Oh, how awesome. Burr. There they are.